Hi, this is Abhishek Muthayan. As a person with a disability, accessibility is very important to me. Devpost website in its current form is usable for me, but I know several folks from the disability community who would appreciate more accessibility related features in the website. I would showcase some of them in this video. I'm using user script to insert userway script to Devpost website for these accessibility features. Contrast mode can help those of us who have reduced vision by improving the contrast ratio between the text or graphics against the background. Highlighting the links makes it easier for those with reduced motor functions to identify and click links. Making the text larger can help people who have to zoom in for reading text, like those suffering from glaucoma. Those with low vision and dyslexia might appreciate the increased spacing. Pausing animations can help those with attention-related disabilities or vestibular disabilities, as autoplaying content could be distracting. Dyslexia-friendly mode uses fonts and styles to improve readability of the website for users with disability. Large cursor helps with easy selection. Reading mask helps with eliminating page distractions. Reading guide helps those with focus issues to read large paragraphs. Tooltip shows alternative text and ARIA labels for on-screen elements with simple mouse hover. Increasing the line height ensures more comfortable spacing for more fluid interaction with on-screen texts. Align side text left, right, or center to ensure a personalized and more accessible reading experience. By just using accessibility improvement tools like Userway, we can improve Devpost's inclusivity, especially considering there are accessibility related hackathons in the platform now, which people with disability like me would love to participate. Thank you.